This is Blizzard 2010. For all my people in warm climates. Just want to show you guys my steps. This is the first of all, this is where my boot is right now on my front porch. This is my trees. This branch usually stands up in the air, like up there, and it's heavy now with the snow. That is my front gate. That is my that mound out there is my car. You can't even see the wheels on it. And here's my shovel. I'm not going to shovel today, but this is pretty much my shovel. And I have to, tomorrow or some other day, shovel out my entire car, this entire walk path, that sidewalk, and my car. And it's still snowing. They're getting a jump on it down there, and that car is cleaned off. But I just want to do this, just so I can gauge how deep my snow is. Hold on. Oh, here, I just touched the ground. I just touched the ground. Blizzard 2010. Don't you just love the snow? It's pretty. And I just hope that the sun will come out and freaking melt everything, or else I have to do all of this. The car driving on the street down there. My daughter's birthday present, her birthday's tomorrow, is in the trunk of my car. You want to see the trunk of my car? That's the trunk of my car. Wait over there. There's the trunk of my car. Should have took it out, right? Anyway. So I'm at the car. This is where my legs are, actually. This is my knee. Yes, I do have pajamas on. This is my knee. And this is the snow. Knee, snow. And I'm not even touching the ground. I have plastic bags on my legs. And I'm not even touching the ground. I'm on top of my car. Look, this is the roof of my car. And this is the windshield. And this is the door. I have to bend down to open the door of my car. I have to be very careful and finesse because my child is looking at me while I open my car. And I have to sneak her presents inside before tomorrow. Like my indigenous brothers and sisters from the north, the Eskimo. I don't know how they did it, but I'm African, I'm tropical. I'm tropical, goddammit. And I rebuke the snow and the fact that I have to shovel it out. I rebuke it. Alright, so I'm going to the trunk of my car, which is like this. This is the trunk of my car. Oh, there's my plates. You don't want to see all that. This is my hand going in to the mound of snow. That is my car. And this is the goods. Tools of trade. The trusty window scraper, the brush.